So hello everyone, my name is Ankit. I am a student of NIFL Institute. Today I am going to telling a story of famous businessman, famous entrepreneur. So without further delay, I am going to whole story of Mr. Ritesh Agarwal. So Ritesh Agarwal born in Odisha, small village, 16 November 1993. He was belongs from Marwadi family, but his father did not have any kind of business. He used to work in general stores. Apart his parents, he has four siblings. He was younger in his family. He was interested in computing, but his school did not allow using computers. So he because he was in fourth class. There was one rule: if you are in sixth class, then you can use a computer. So he forced a teacher for use computers. Because of he was very talented student, and he was very unique of future. So teacher was helped him for using computer. In fourth class, he learned coding skills and general computing. In same time, his sister was in college, and her college organized a session of entrepreneurship session. So that time he listened a first time what is entrepreneurship. So he was very excited for attending the session. So he went to college with her sister and attend a whole session for entrepreneurship. So he was very interested in entrepreneurship. After his completing school, he came to Kota for further study, but he was totally focused on entrepreneurship. So for entrepreneurship, he went to Delhi for attend a session of entrepreneurship. He attended a lots of time session of entrepreneurship. He gained a lots of knowledge about entrepreneurship and business. Though that time he did not have sufficient money for survive, so he started a business. He started an internship, and for internship he visited a lots of city and lots of places and stay at hotels. So that time, first time, he realized that our hotel is not good for middle class family. But first of all, he was very expensive, and their culture was not good, and their toilet and interior was not good. So first time he realized that we should work on this hotel places. So for all more research, he visited 100 plus cities in India for research of hotels. After that, he thinking about the we should start a for hotels and low price hotel for middle class family. So then he started a OYO. We know all about that. If we can visit any places, so there is hotel, we can stay hotels in on budget. Why? Because there is OYO for Ritesh Agarwal. He lots of work on OYO, and now he is the biggest company, and now he is the biggest company in the world. So if you interested in business and if you are focused on business, so please understand the business and focused on entrepreneurship, because entrepreneurship is a very important in our youth. Thank you so much.